Good evening, guys. Myself Prem, and I'm studying class 12. So now I'm going to explain maths J sums very briefly. Maths J sums of continuity and trigonometry. So let's discuss about continuity. Let's discuss some problems. Okay. So first one, if f of x is equals to x sine 1 by x, where x is not equal to 0, then 0 comma x belongs to 0. So they have given that expression. So they are set to find uh, prove that f of 0 is equals to 0. Okay. So solution, let us assume that limit x tends to 0, f of x is equals to limit x tends to 0, so that it is continuous at f is equals to 0. So let it be f is equals to 0, then limit x tends to 0, which is nothing but x sine 1 by x. Okay. So by substituting 0, we get sine into 1 by 0, which is nothing but infinity. So some finite value between 1 and minus 1, which it is nothing but some finite value between 1 and minus 1. So 0 into some finite value into minus 1 is nothing but 0. So final answer will be 0. Okay. Now second question. If f of x 0 is equals to limit x tends to 0, then so if the function f of x, the function f of x is equals to e power x square minus cos x divided by x square, for x is not equal to 0, for x not equal to 0 is continuous at x is equals to 0, then they said to find f of 0. Okay. So f of x is equals to limit x tends to 0, f of x, which is nothing but limit x tends to 0, e power x square minus cos x divided by x square, and limit x tends to 0, e power x square minus 1 into plus into 1 minus cos x divided by x square. Okay. Cos minus x square. So I'm rubbing here the first question. So upon simplification we need to separate the denominator. Then we get x square, limit x tends to 0, e x square minus 1 by x square plus limit x tends to 0, limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x by x square. Okay. So then now limit x tends to 0, e power x whole square minus 1 by x square, and this 1 minus cos x by x square is nothing but limit x tends to 0, nothing but value is 1 by 2. Okay. So 1 by 2, then plus limit x tends to 0 into 1 by 2. Okay. So e power x minus 1 by e power x square is nothing but its value is 1, and 1 plus 1 by 2 is equals to 3 by 2 is the final answer. Okay. This is second problem. Now let's go to fourth one. Third one. Okay. So the value of f of 0, so that the function, we said to find this value, so that the function f of x is equals to uh, f of x is equals to log of 1 plus x by a minus log of 1 minus x by b. Okay, divided by x, where x is not equal to 0. Okay, x is not equal to 0 is continuous at x is equal to 0. Is continuous at x is equal to 0. So they said to find f of 0 value. Solution. Then f of 0 is equals to limit x tends to 0 f of x. So limit x tends to 0, the given expression log of 1 plus x by a minus log of 1 plus x by 1 minus x by b divided by x. Okay, divided by x. Since we know that limit x tends to 0, log of 1 log of 1 plus mx, 1 plus mx divided by x is equals to m. Okay, so 1 plus mx is nothing but 1 by a, 1 by a minus 1 by a minus of minus 1 by b. Okay, so 1 by a plus 1 by b, which is b plus a by ab minus a plus b by ab. Okay, now let's go to fifth sum. Now let's go to fifth sum. So we need to find f of x is equals to x into 3 minus log of sine x by x. Okay, minus 2 to be continuous at x is equals to 0. Okay, then f of 0 is equals to, they asked it, then find the value of f of 0. Okay, so what we need to do is putting f of 0 is nothing but limit x tends to 0 of f of x. Okay, limit x tends to 0 under x into 3 minus log of sine x by x. Okay, sine x by x minus 2. Then we can write it as 0 into 3 minus log 1 minus 2. Sine x by x is nothing but x by x, limit x tends to 0 is nothing but 1, then log 1. Okay, so this 0 into 3 minus log 1 is nothing but 0 minus 2, which is minus 2. Okay, now let's go to sixth sum. Okay, sixth sum is nothing but to find sine of minus 660 tan of 1050 and sec of minus 420 degrees divided by cos of 225 degrees and cosec 315 degrees and cos 510 degrees. Okay, so they said to find this value. Okay, solution. So we know the sine of minus theta is minus sine of 660. Next tan of 10 to 50. Then sec of 420. Sec of 420. Then sec of 420 divided by cos of 225 cosec 315 and cos 510. Okay, cos 510. Then okay, so now what we need to do is we know that 660 comes in the place of 4 into 180 minus 60, then tan of 6 into 180 minus 30, and sec of 2 into 180 plus 60. Okay, then divided by cos of 180 plus 45 cosec 2 into 180 minus 45, and cos 3 into 180 minus 30 degrees. Okay, so we know that 180 is nothing but pi. Then substituting the pi is minus of sine 4 pi minus 60 degrees, then tan of 6 pi minus 30 degrees, and sec of 2 pi plus 60 degrees. Okay, plus 60 divided by cos of pi plus 45 and cosec 2 pi minus 45 and cos of 3 pi minus 30. Okay, so we need to write take 60 minus tan 30, then sec 60 divided by minus cos 45 minus cosec 45 and minus cos 30 degrees. Okay, minus cos 30 degrees. When I substitute the values, root 3 by 2 minus 1 by root 3 and into 2, 2 will get cancelled, and 3 will also get cancelled, root 3, then minus 1 by root 2 into minus root 2 into minus root 3 by 2, and root 2 will get cancelled, minus minus. So the final answer will be minus 1 by minus root 3 by 2, minus minus will get cancelled, and we'll get the final answer as 2 divided by root 3. Okay, now let's go to seventh sum. Now let's go to seventh sum. So they said to find sec A plus tan A is equals to 3. Then what is the value of sec A is equals to how much? Okay, so solution, they have given sec A plus tan A is equals to 3. We know that sec is nothing but cos A plus tan is nothing but sin A by cos A is equals to 3. Taking same to denominators, cos A 1 plus sin A, then 1 plus sin A is nothing but 3 cos A. Now squaring on both sides, we get 1 plus sin square A plus 2 sin A. Okay, then 9 cos square A. Okay, now what we need to do is, we know that cos square is nothing but 1 minus sin square A. So 1 plus sin square A plus 2 sin A is equals to 9 into 1 minus sin square A. Okay, 9 into 1 minus sin square A. So I'm taking directly, then sending 9 to this side, then we get the answer as 2 plus 2 sin A minus 8 is equals to 0. Then taking 2 as common, then we get 5 sin square A plus sin A minus 4 is equals to 0. Okay, then this we need to split middle terms, then 5 sin square A plus 5 sin A minus 4 sin A minus 4 is equals to 0. Okay, 4 is equals to 0. Then we get uh, taking 5 sine a into sine a plus 1 and minus 4 taking common sine a plus 1. Sine a plus 1 into 5 sine a minus 4 is equals to 0. Sine a is nothing but 4 by 5, or sine a is equals to minus 1. Then now sec a, now taking this 4 by 5, sec a is nothing but 1 by sine a, then 1 by 4 by 5 is nothing but 5 by 4 is the final answer. Okay, now let's go to ninth sum. Okay, now let's go to ninth sum, which is sec theta minus tan theta is equals to 3, and theta lies in the quadratic quadrant. So lies in the quadrant. They're asking that theta lies in which quadrant. Solution: theta given sin theta tan theta is equals to 3. Then we know that sec square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1, and we can write it as sec theta minus tan theta into sec theta less tan theta is equals to 1. Substitute these values, then it becomes 3. 3 into sec theta plus tan theta is equals to 1, which is nothing but sec theta plus tan theta is equals to 1 by 3. Okay, let it be equation 1. Now sec theta plus tan minus tan theta is nothing but 3. This is be equation 2. Now add equation 1 and 2. Add equation 1 and 2. Okay, adding equation 1 and 2. Then sec theta minus tan theta, sec theta plus tan theta is equals to 1 by 3 plus 3, sorry, minus 3, 1 by 3, and sec plus tan, this is 3 and 1 by 3. Okay, addition, we get this both cancelled, then 2 sec theta is equals to 3 plus 1 by 3. Okay, upon simplification we get sec theta is equals to 5 by 3. Now substitute in equation 1. In equation 1, which is nothing but, so this is 1, this is 2. Okay, substitute in equation 1, we get 5 by 3 is minus tan theta is equals to 3, minus tan theta is equals to 3 minus 5 by 3. Okay, 3 minus 5 by 3, and we get the final answer as tan, upon simplification we get the final answer as minus 4 by 3. So secant theta is positive and tan is negative. So a theta lies in fourth quadrant. Okay, now let's go to 10th sum. Let's go to 10th sum. So 10th sum, 3 sin x minus cos x. Okay, 3 sin x minus cos x whole power 4 plus 6 into sin x plus cos x whole square plus 4 into sine power 6x plus cos power 6x is equals to how much they ask. Solution. So consider a is equals to 4 sine 6 sine power 6 plus cos power 6 by x. Then we can write it as a is equals to 4 into sine square x and cube plus cos square x whole cube. Okay. Next, upon simplification, it is in the form of a plus b, a cube plus b cube. So we can write it as a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. So upon simplification, we get the final answer as 4 minus 12 sine square x minus cos square x. Sorry, sine square x cos square x. Cos square x. This is equation 1. Okay. Next, let b is equals to 3 sine x minus cos x whole power 4. Okay. Upon simplification, we can write 3 into sine x minus cos x whole square whole square. Then upon simplification, we get the final answer as 3 minus 12 sine x cos x plus 12 sine x 12 sine square x plus sorry into cos square x. This will be equation 2. Now let c is equals to 6 into sine x plus cos x whole square. Okay, cos x whole square. Then upon simplification we get 6 plus 12 sine x cos x. Okay, sine x cos x. Then let it be equation 3. Now we need to add a plus b plus c. Okay, we need to add a plus b plus c. We get 4 minus 12 sine square x cos square x, and b is nothing but that's 3 minus 12 sine square x cos square x, and c is nothing but 6 into 6 plus 12 sine x cos x. Okay, 6 plus 12 sine x cos x, and we are missing something, I guess. 12x sine x cos x. Oh, we forgot about this one. We forgot about this. 3 into sorry 12. 3 minus 12, right? Yeah. So 3 minus 12 sine x cos x. This will get cancelled. 12x square. This will cancel. Then we get the 4 plus 3 plus 6, which is nothing but 13 is the final answer. Okay, 13 is the final answer. Now that's it, guys. So that's it for today. 10 sums. So next day let's discuss more 10 sums. I hope you all guys understand. Thank you.